Hello, Ami ma'am. Good evening. Hi. Hi, Vaishali. Hello. So, okay, I'll be starting now. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ashish Badania. I was studying in Anandiketan School, Shilaj through Visamo Kids. I completed my schooling at Anandiketan Shilaj, and then I did my college at Bhavnagar from government affiliated college, and then I started my career as a civil engineer at Bangalore, JMC Projects, all thanks to Mrs. Sonal Modi and Mr. Hemant Modi for giving me an opportunity to go to Bangalore and work there. And now currently I'm working at DPS Bhopal as a civil engineer. So I'll start with introducing myself, how I came to Isamo Kids. I was studying in government school at Drangadra. There Visamo Kids approached us through an NGO, and one IQ test was conducted. So around 100 to 120 students were there. So out of all these students, I and Raju were selected. So even the principal of that school, his son was also studying with me. So he also gave that exam, but he was not qualified. So the principal went to my home and told my parents about this thing, and my parents like immediately told no, that no, or we can't send such a small child to Visamo Kids or to Ahmedabad. So 3 to 4 times the principal visited my house, and they were trying to convince my parents that this is one of the best education that I am about to receive. So then my parents thought like, okay, let's give it a try. So when they came to Visamo Kids along with that principal, like my parents were shocked to see the environment, the atmosphere, the friendliness of the staff, the volunteers, and all the people at Visamo Kids. So my father immediately he decided that okay, now he told me that you have to study here, and you have to complete your education here only. So you have to adjust to this environment. Then I was like okay, happy. We started playing with other children, and like we were many students. So okay, then the journey started. The life at Visamo, it was really amazing. We had lots and lots of fun. First few months were we were being taught English. Actually, we were from Gujarati medium, so we did not even know ABCD. We did not even know numericals. So Amiven and everyone present at Visamo, they constantly gave their 100% and started teaching us English. So within I think 5 to 6 months, we learned English, and we were sent to Anandiketan school, and there also we did well. And then after completing my school at Visamo, I went to Bhavnagar. The memories of Visamo Kids are lots and lots of memories, because our complete childhood was spent at Visamo. From like 5 to 6 year old to completing our 12th standard, we were staying at Visamo only. So Visamo was only our family. But we were enjoying Visamo Kids. But our parents back there, they were missing us. They were missing us at each and every small functions and every minor festivals. So a big thanks to parents, first of all, not only my parents but all the parents, like the parents of the children who are at Visamo currently or who have studied at Visamo, because it's very courageous of them to send a 4 to 5 year old child to Visamo Kids, a place away from home, knowing that they won't be able to meet us regularly, knowing that they won't be able to communicate with us regularly. But it was amazing. And then festivals and functions, that Deepavali and summer vacations, we used to get only 2 vacations a year. So we used to go to our native, and the neighborhood, the community, the family, they were all excited and they were very surprised to see the behavior, to see the changes in us, to see how we communicated our dressing sense, our discipline, our behavior. They were completely surprised to see that. And initially our relatives were not willing to send us here. They were all against my parents for sending us to Ahmedabad, because back in my town only few people might have studied up to 12th. Only the primary educations they received, and then they started doing different kinds of job. So even when I completed my school and I went to my home, they were they did not want me to study further. They were offering me few jobs which was giving a salary of about 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. So like a small primary school teacher, at working as a peon in offices in banks. So they were not willing that I should study, because my parents were not that much financially stable. So we used till Visamo, till 12th standard, Visamo helped us completely. But after that, when the college started, it was really challenging for us. It was really challenging for my parents to fulfill my requirements of the college, to pay the tuition fees, to pay the hostel rents, and many other small basic requirements. So the real struggle started after leaving Visamo. But I took some education loan. Then my parents borrowed some money from relatives. Like, all relatives were not the same. Some lent us money. Some advised us that we should stop studying and start working. But my parents were determined that I should study and complete my education. So they wanted me to make an engineer, and even I wanted to be an engineer. So anyhow we completed 4 years of engineering, and then I went to Bangalore. Even Bangalore, my neighborhood, the community, the relatives, they were not willing me to send there. They were like not criticizing, but they were like advising my parents not to send me to big cities, because I might not come back, and I might not help them and support them. But I assured them that I will not do any kind of that what those people were telling. And I completed 3.5 years at Bangalore. I learned lots and lots of things. It was the best years of my career, because even JMC was one of the best construction companies there in the south region. We have lots and lots of big projects. So when I went there, it was very it was very difficult for me to adjust because of the food, the language, the cultural, and I had no friends, no families there. So initially I was struggling, but when I saw the site, I saw the work, it was really amazing. So then I thought that whatever happens, I'll complete the site which I was given, and then only I'll leave the company. So I completed one full site, and it was amazing. It was amazing experience. Lots of learning, lots of staff were from some of them were from Karnataka, some of them were from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal. So it was like a very, very wide variety of like unity was very great. And annually we had we were having annual functions, so even that was very amazing. And then when I came back to Ahmedabad and started working at DPS. And now I have cleared all the money, the loans, the borrowed money. I repaid them. I have even rebuilt our own house with 2 BHK house. So it is one of the finest house amongst our neighborhood, amongst our relatives, our community. And now after seeing all those things, people come to my father, they come to me, and they are taking advices and guidelines from us. Whoever's children are studying in 12th, 11th, and who are facing financial problems, they are coming to my parents and asking for the advice, how they did this, and how they managed to complete my education and start such a good learning. So it was all very good experience. And first of all, I would like to say that the respect that my parents got after seeing our houses and everything, it was really like it was a proud moment for me also and my parents also, because now even the relatives and other all the people who were ignoring us, who were like not supporting us, they have all started supporting us now. And now they are looking forward to us for any guidance. And whoever's like our community, the people are not that much into educations. Nobody is willing to teach provide educations, because maybe because of the financial problems or because of that background. But now looking at me and my parents and my family, they all are very eager, and they are all supporting their children. They are supporting their education, whatever the expenses may be, they are ready to pay now. So it's really amazing journey. And lots and lots of experiences, the memorable moments we had at Visamo. So some of them were very like cherishable moments. So in Visamo, actually first it was we did not get that much access to online facilities and TVs and everything. So what we used to do is we just used to read books. And every Saturday, every Sunday, I used to tell stories to younger children and my colleagues and friends. I used to read Goosebumps and other short stories. So it was very fortunate that we started learning, we started reading, and today what we are, what we have become is all because of Visamo Kids and the rules and regulations that were there, which enhanced us to be such great people. And currently when I look at all my friends, they all are to some upper level than they used to be. Like when we used to be there at Visamo, nobody was like they were all very not so confident, not so bold enough to speak in the society. But now all have become great. And the main thing is that the family, the background that we are, the family, the support that we are receiving, even after leaving Visamo, Visamo is still with us. And whenever we wanted any kind of help, any kind of guidance, the Ami Ben was there, Sudeshna ma'am was there, Bina ma'am was there, all the people were there. And recently also, because of Calorex only, I am here today in Ahmedabad, because when I was in Bangalore, it was very difficult for me to get here without leaving my job. And I could not leave my job because of the financial problems and everything. So Visamo helped me conduct online interview. I gave online interview and I came back to Ahmedabad and started working. So now even the parents are very happy that I'm back to Ahmedabad. And now I'm constantly supporting my parents. Even when I was in Bangalore, whenever I used to come, I used to bring gifts, I used to bring sweets and everything, so that they do not feel that they are being ignored by us. So whatever it's there, we are always ready to support our family. We are always ready to give back to society what society has given us. So even I was planning that now I have few hours of free time, so I'm going to Visamo Kids. I'll be start after the lockdown is over. I'll go to Visamo and I'll teach children there for at least 1 hour per day. So yes, and my father and family and all people are now encouraging other students to join Visamo. They are giving guidelines, like they are telling many people who really wants their children to become something. My parents and everyone there around me, the society, they are giving guidance, and they are telling people to send their children to Visamo Kids. So it is very great environment, very family kind of environment that we are receiving at Visamo Kids. And I would like to thank a few people. I would like to thank first of all Pooja ma'am, Pooja Manjula Shroff ma'am, for creating such a beautiful NGO, which is way better than other NGOs, because in some NGOs people will do their work and then they will forgive you. But here, even after completing our education, even after leaving the Visamo is constantly in contact with us, constantly in touch with us, and they are providing us each and every step guidelines and whenever we want. So Visamo is far more better than any other NGOs. And thanks to Ami ma'am, to all the Guru Matas who are and who were earlier during our time. They were like very kind, very caring, and they were very determined, and they were very supportive. They always supported us. Whatever we wanted, we used to get. Whatever we required, immediately the requirement was fulfilled. So thank you, Ami ma'am and Anuja ma'am, Sudeshna ma'am, and some Guru Matas like Niru Didi, Alka auntie, and Rekha auntie. So they were like always with us, and they tolerated our lots and lots of mischiefs. So thank you all. And then I would like to thank the volunteers. I remember few, Kaushik sir, I remember Jharna ma'am, Naina ma'am, Sridevi ma'am, all those people who were really willing to teach us, who were really willing to share their knowledge and experience with us. They used to spend their Sundays with us, so that was very great thing. And then I would like to thank Anand Niketan, the staff of Anand Niketan, Mr. Kamal Mangal sir, Geeta ma'am, Ravindra sir, Rohit sir, Ketki ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am, all the teachers who have supported us even in school. They knew that we were from Visamo, so they used to give us like more importance to us. Whenever we had some doubts, immediately they would rectify our doubts. Immediately they would support us. They would never feel like why should I help him or something. They were giving us more and more importance. So thank you, school, Anand Niketan school, the staff there. And yeah, it was a lot of fun in Visamo, and Visamo will be forever with us, forever in our hearts. We will never forget Visamo, what Visamo has done to us, what Visamo is doing, and what it will do. We have 100% hope that Visamo is going to be with us forever in our life. So thank you, Visamo kids, thank you all. And I would like to end my session here. So thank you all.